Okay, moving on to our next one, which is Logistics Supplier of the Year provider, which is sponsored by Metroplan. And I'd like to invite up Michał Brzezinski to hand out this award.
And on the shortlist we have CargoMind, CargoNext, DSV Global Transport and Logistics, Kühne Plus Nagel, Nissan Logistics, and Samla Polska.
Michał, thank you for sponsoring this award and helping us hand it out tonight.
Yeah, and the winner is DSV.
Good evening, thank you very much. Second time in a row. So great honor, and I would like to thank to all our customers, partners, all the companies that are here that are allowing us to provide, as you can see, very high level contract logistics, transport, and all the logistics services from DSV. So thank you very much, have a nice evening, and thanks a lot.
Thank you, congratulations.
Congratulations again, and have a good evening.